And I kind of figured that that was going to happen. Kind of figured. Man, not out of it yet, but it just would have been nice to get some of that stupid bullishness that we was getting before. That would be nice. Okay, so definitely bearish trend. So 240 points to the downside. 77 to the upside. Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? What's up? And nothing much. You said you're popping off. Why? What's up? What happened? You made new highs in the account? Yo, congratulations on that, bro. Congratulations. Isn't it crazy what happens when you trade when you trade with the system and you stick to that system over time? Oh crap! I was like, what the hell? Not even in uniform. Shit, over time, that money compounds itself. Hmm. Well, why is it mind blowing? Why is that mind blowing, K Trader? You said how something that worked in the past is working in the present, and you're talking about your system, right? The system that you use, the criteria that you use to take your trades. That's what you're referring to? Seems like the Bulls are just kind of being. I finally get into a long trade on here on gold, and now the Bulls don't want to step up. Man, you can't make it up, man. Now the Bulls don't want to step up. Okay. All right, Bulls. All right, Bulls. What happened to all that bullish energy that you had? Mm. But yeah, Cave Trade, I'm happy for you, man. I'm definitely happy for you, bro. I'm looking forward to. Well, I'm not gonna put no pressure on you, but I know pretty soon you're gonna get another payout from Apex. You're gonna continue to receive payouts from Apex, and they're gonna hate. They're gonna hate it when they see your name come across their screen for a payout. It's like Cave Trader again. He has a system. He follows his rules. We can't deny his payout. We can't justify a denial payout. We gotta pay him. We gotta pay him. Oh shit, my bad, guys. I think I got the music just right too. I think I got it just right. To where it's not too loud, but I mean, it's you'll hear it. Yeah, Gold needs to stop trying to be nasty to me here. Gold definitely needs to stop being nasty to me. Shit. I mean, it's definitely not a it's definitely not a hard decision for me. Prop firms are definitely the way to go, at least in my opinion. I'm a day trader. I don't plan on trading intraday. Or I'm sorry, I don't plan on swing trading. I mean, if I lose an account, I mean, all I've lost was the money that I put into it instead of the whole balance, which, I mean, that's always a great thing. I know that I'm not going to withdraw any money that I make. Like if I start off with a small account challenge and it compounds, I've already proven to myself through past experience that I never take that money out of that account. It's either it grows or I lose it. I mean, that's kind of what happens. And I never take any of the money out. With these prop firms, it's like, well, shit, there's no point in leaving it in there. So it incentivizes me to take it out. So for me personally, props is all I need. I don't even care to go live. I don't care to have my own personal funds in the account. All I know is that if I lost $1,500 of my money, I would just be hurt. I would be hurt. Oh my God, gain weight. Oh my. No, we were both right. We were both right. But gain weight, you were definitely right. Definitely right, man. Sir gaineth, waiteth. I write this letter with and to express my most humblest of apologies. You were absolutely right in that short. But it took the Bears literally all day just to do that, man. It took them all day just to get that short. It just really just shows just how stressful it can be being a bear in this market, man. Sir gaineth, waiteth. Please accept my most humblest of apologies. Now, this is what I will say. I mean, I'm not surprised that we saw a big move down. I'm not surprised by that. The Bulls reached their objective yesterday. It was like Alfred stated earlier, it was a move that was fueled by news and optimism and FOMO. I mean, this was the only area that the Bulls fought. They definitely fought to hold this area, but unfortunately, they weren't able to hold it. So, yeah, you did say that, day trader. But the Bulls did try here. I mean, it took. So from 3 o'clock until the start of, so from 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock in the afternoon, that's how long it took the Bears to start the beginning. And so from 12:42 to 3:51, it took however long that is for the entire move. So 8, it took it 8 hours. It took the Bears 8 hours to short this. Okay, so if I lose this gold trade, I'll just come back tomorrow. It's just frustrating. It really is frustrating. Yeah, I should have in that double top breaker structure. It's just frustrating because the Bears all of a sudden now is getting the Bulls, it'll be nice if you just step the hell up and started buying. That would be nice. Yeah, I really don't know why the Bulls are not buying this. I mean, was the market on a bull rampage because of the uncertainty of Powell's economic outlook? That's what all this buying was for? And now that the market kind of has an idea of how the Fed is going to move forward, they no longer want to buy gold. Hey, what's up, Tony? Yeah, like I said, I'll just accept it. Honestly, in about 20 minutes, because this is the position that I'm in my funded account. I'll just have to come back tomorrow and find and find a trading opportunity for tomorrow. But that trade that we took in gold, though, that was a great trade. That was almost that was a damn near perfect trade on gold. When did we take that short? Yeah, we took this short right here. Got this nice move down on gold. It's a beautiful short. I obviously got out of it too early, apparently. But yeah, I mean that's true. That's true. Game weight. It was obvious that the big money already sold out of their position. It was the late buyers and the FOMO buyers that were buying this thing up, preventing it from just doing a nice clean rotation. It would just be nice if we can just get some nice bearish price action so we can be bullish. I mean, that would be nice. But we don't have to, if you're a gold trader, I mean, shit, you can trade on both sides of the market. Because the bears have no problem shorting the market here, apparently. So, I mean, I don't know how far the bears want to take this, how far. Because, I mean, we did have a big run up on this. So I really don't know how far they want to take this, but it just sucks. It just sucks that, you know, I could potentially get stopped out of this damn thing, man. It just sucks. It just sucks. If the bulls are going to step up, they need to do it now. Because the bears are just grinding this thing down. They're just grinding it lower. Hold it there. Yeah, that's definitely true, Rug Kid. When I saw that it was that it broke above 25K, I did have that initial thought. Honestly, I thought if the market kept going, there was just no way that it was going to get past 25.1, because that would have been two psychological levels that the market just blew through without a pullback. So I was like, well, if we get priced to, well, actually, I was actually looking for two areas yesterday. I was looking for the market to reject that, yeah, like 25.55 to 75. And if it broke past that, I mean, there was no way that it was going to get past 25.1. That's two psychological levels that it traded past. I would have been surprised. For sure. I definitely would have been surprised if they were able to manage to do that. You said the Shiller P ratio? What's that? I'm not familiar with what that is, Cave Trader. The Shiller P ratio. So it's also known as the Cape, the Silically adjusted price to earning. Yeah, I just did that. So it's a valuation metric for stocks that measures the current price of a stock divided by the average inflation adjusted earnings over the previous 10 years. Often used for broad market indices, especially the S&P 500, to gauge long-term value and return potential. Well, technically. Seriously? Nah, it'll put it like literally right there. I would have to risk more than I would even want to risk. No. Okay. You like the music? All right, so I'll play it more often. And the music's not too loud, right? I am definitely all right, man. Whatever. All right, I'm not gonna. Hey, yo, what's up, Texas? I'm not gonna revenge trade, even though I am fighting back the urges because I feel that the gold just stopped me out and it's just gonna trade higher. I feel like that's exactly what it's gonna do. It didn't even have to stop me out. I mean, that's the crazy thing. Like it just literally just stopped me out. kind of do both, Texas. It really depends on what moves. What's, of course. Of course, man. That's some nasty work, Gold. That's nasty. That is absolutely nasty. That is nasty. Gold's just stopped me out like almost. So my stop was at 83.4. 83.4 was where my stop was, and it came back and stopped me out. And that was nasty. He said, "So time to join." Trader says Jerome Powell sees a challenging labor market ahead, but that's why they cut. I mean, I don't know why he says ahead, as if we're not experiencing none of that right now. Let's see if this re-entry trade is going to work here. I mean, we got a double bottom retest trade. Double bottom sweeps the liquidity underneath this low. Now let's see if that's all the bulls needed for, you know, a push back up here. I mean, even with all this, the bears are still going to suck. So, I mean, I prefer to take the short, but if the bears are just not going to follow through on anything, then it's just easier just to fight bearish momentum. It's just easier just to fight it. Shit, Gangway says that he's trying to be short until November. November, huh? You know what, Alfred? It shouldn't have stopped me out, man. Go hurt my feelings tonight. Because she literally came back. She came for my stop. And dude, I have such an over-exaggerated stop for gold. Like, it's painful when I get stopped out on gold. Because I shouldn't be getting stopped out on gold. I'm not getting in at random spots. And I should have enough margin of error. So when gold finds a way to stop me out, I mean, it's hurtful, man. It hurts my feelings. It's like, why are you doing this to me? Why? Like, dude, that's crazy, man. Like, that's absolutely crazy, man. I mean, I'm not going to complain about it, but that's crazy that she did that to me. That's exactly right. My bitches know about my other bitches. They know once they start acting up. So that's fine. That's fine. When gold start acting up, I go to the Nasdaq. When the Nasdaq starts acting up, I go to gold. When they both start acting up, I go to the ES for a while. And then I go back to the Nasdaq. It's a cycle. Man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Man, that is crazy, man. That is crazy. Well, hopefully the bulls can push past this area right here without a pullback to the break even. Hopefully we can just break past this value area low. We can see a break. Hopefully that break just hits that target and then it can do whatever the hell it wants. I'm halfway there. Halfway to the target right now. Halfway to the target. You said, do I take creatine? No. No. I pride myself with being as natural as possible. Natural as possible. I don't think I think what creatine is like what mostly a sugar anyway, is like sugar water. But nah, I just keep it simple. Coconut water is what I use mostly for a pre-workout. Or yeah, it's pre. And then I just put the electrolytes back into my system after, you know, I utilize it during the workout. So yeah, but I think I tried it. Actually, I tried creatine when I was younger. I just didn't like that. I didn't like how my body reacted to it. So ever since that, I just haven't taken it, or I don't use it. I don't use it. You know what I've found to be a good recovery food, which was, I kind of found this on accident, and when I took it out of my diet and put it back, I mean, the difference was night and day. Golden potatoes is actually really great for recovery. How is it? Go, you don't have to be that way, man. God damn. You don't gotta be that way. Yeah, this is probably going to be, you know, a tough area for the Bulls to get over initially. I mean, technically, this is a break and oh crap. This is a break and this is the retest, and this is them trying to sell it again. But hopefully we can get over this. Oh, is it? I'll look into it. I'll look into it. I mean, if it doesn't have any abnormal effects and it's a natural thing, I'll look into it. I'm pretty sure it's probably more of the brand than the actual product. If a brand adds, you know, extra stuff to the creatine, I guess it could create those abnormal effects, but I'll look into it. You said ATP? Let's look at what ATP is. You said creatine had you sweating in your sleep? Okay. Yeah, so this is what I will say. I don't believe anybody that says that they are vegan and they're a bodybuilder. There's those things don't match up. I'm sorry, I don't believe you, and I won't believe you. The reason why I say that is because what was I doing? I wasn't doing a fast, but I was kind of doing a cleanse to see how my body would react. And I stopped eating chicken. I stopped eating meat for a while. And I had a quote unquote clean diet: oatmeal, greens, rice, black beans, walnuts, seeds, etc. Everything except, oh my God, gold. Ugh. Come on. Ugh. And when I say that the workouts were night and day, and I'm saying night and day in a bad way. Damn. Damn, all that work back. Like, dude, how does this thing always finds a way back to the break even? God damn. God damn. It always finds a way back to the break even. All right. Yeah, Joy. Honestly, I think I did the same thing, and that's when I stopped taking it. Like when I was in high school. I had one bad. I didn't like the experience. I wouldn't call it bad. I just didn't like it. And you know what? All right, go. All right, you on some bullshit tonight, man. You on some fucking bullshit. You are on some bullshit tonight. Damn. No. No. No, sir. Nope. I don't ever close that break even. The pain of regret is far worse than the pain of loss. Hell no. If I'm in a trade, it's usually because I think it'll work. I could be in drawdown like I am now. I mean, the trade, I was halfway to the target. Closing it out now before, oh my God. Yeah, so I don't even. I'll just take the loss. But man, damn, Gold, you got me twice. Well, I mean, I'm still in the trade, but it looks pretty weak right now. Damn, Gold is like that. Like that, Gold. Halfway to the target, pulls back to the break even. 2 points in drawdown. Now is at the break even now. And I guess now it's stuck here. I guess now. Come on, Gold. You don't got to do that. You could have just went to the target. That's all you had to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that wick. Oh my God. I guess the Bears they're being very rainbow right now. All right. Well, I'm gonna try not to be up all night with this trade but it'll be nice if the Bulls can kind of step up here. And that would be nice. And knock these Bears out. I mean, shit, Bears. God dang. Let the Bulls eat. Shit. Or can I get one of these moves, please? Where it just goes straight to target? Can I get that? That's kind of why I don't particularly care to take trades at night with Gold, because man, I don't care to stay up all night with these trades. I will. I'm not going to leave this trade running overnight without me managing it. But this is kind of why I try not to take too many trades past a certain time. Because shit, Gold, Nasdaq will grab me by the hand and say, let's take a ride. Come on, Gold, push through that. Yeah, I know, right? Shit, Gold already pissed me off by stopping me out and then pushing back higher. I mean, that already pissed me off. And then if she does it again, I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna go to bed mad. I might not even hug my girl tonight. It's like, why you not hugging me? Because I'm mad, damn it. I might not even hug my girl. I'm gonna hug you. Shut it. Close the door. she came here talking about it. You ain't gonna hug who? Oh, that's hilarious. Probably low liquidity, probably. And I'm pretty sure it's probably how TradingView paints its candles. Come on, Gold, keep on pushing. I would prefer to go to bed tonight. Like I really want to go to bed tonight. If you would be so kind and allowing me to go to bed at a decent time. You trade during London session? Which instrument do you trade during London? Yeah, it hasn't. NQ? Yeah. All right, here comes the test for the Bulls here. I mean, if it double tops, then I may have to consider break even. I may have to consider it. I probably won't though. Probably still would take the loss, but still. Yep, this is exactly why. See, if I close this thing and this thing pushed back up, man, that would have fucked me up, man. It would have got ugly on this stream. It would have got ugly. Shit, instead of seeing 7 contracts, you might see 50. Shit. At that point, it's like, nah, gold is playing too damn much. You might see 50. What the fuck? What the fuck? So I ran a private stream to kind of test the volume of the music, and I left the stream on. It was private, and it said something about, even on a private stream, they're talking about some copyrighted material. Says that I can no longer be monetized. Says the video can no longer be monetized and has been blocked in 2 times. Dude, it's a private video. Like, why the hell y'all sending me some shit like that? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all guys. Yo, Gold almost took the stream account away earlier today, man. She almost took it. Man, I had to go back to the NQ and send her that "baby, I need you" text. Like, baby, I really need you. At first she wanted to fuck with me, but she saw that I was serious, and so she was like, you know, we have our differences, but you know you can always count on me when times get rough. And the Nasdaq really helped your boy out. Yo, that's exactly what it is, yo. She's crazy. She's crazy, and she's like, man, baby, look, man. Look, like, I really need you right now. You hit her with that, and she was like, oh, baby, come here. I got you. I got you, baby. She had me. Nah, baby, it's my fault. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done the shit that I did. Please don't wick down, Gold. Please just push past this. Please, just push past it, baby. Please, just push past it. Okay, that's great. Cool, okay. Now that the value area high is higher. Okay, cool. All right. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Come on, Gold. Keep pushing, baby. Come on, Gold. Come on, Gold. Come on, don't do that. Don't just stop there. Just keep on pushing. Pushing to the upside. Push to the upside. Oh my God. Oh my God, Gold. Oh my God. Oh, don't do that. All right. All right, well, Gold is just gonna play with my feelings today. Gold is just gonna play with me today, man. All right. All right, so 8:55. Oh shit, my bad, Smith. My bad. I don't even know if he was my bad. I just thought about that. Just thought about that. I don't even know if you're in the chat or not. But... Alright. So between about 855. So it finally broke at 1154. God damn. Nasdaq bears. God damn. Yeah, you know what? That's it. You know, the market only traded 163 points from the orb low today. All right, no problem. Yeah, I mean, shit, we about to be done anyway. We're about to be done. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Let's see if the gold gods will be merciful to us tonight and hit that damn target. Oh yeah, so yeah, guys, Nasdaq. Not only did the Nasdaq have me today because of her, and oh, can you just stop playing? I really want to go to bed tonight. We just need 20 more ticks. I mean, is there an area of resistance that I'm missing or something? Is price trading into like resistance or something? So initial sweep happened at 8:55 low. The initial break happened at well, the initial break, I mean, this technically was a break right here at 11:04, but it just got bought right back up. But that was the first time it really kind of broke away from the range. So like at 11:04. A successful breakout structure happened at 11:54 low. I already feel it, man. I already feel it, man. I already feel it. Or I do something stupid. Or I do something stupid. Because trading on tilt is one hell of a drug, man. That, like, dude, trading on tilt is just one hell of a drug, man. What's the day? Tuesday. What is it? 10:30. 10:30 p.m. What? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I can control myself. I don't want to get stuck out this damn thing, but I think okay. All right, let me stop tripping, dude. Dude, I am about to start tilt trading in my funded account. Oh my God, dude. I need a physical risk manager right now. Oh my God. I'm about to start tilt trading in my funded account because I'm pissed off. I'm trying to get the market back because it stopped me out and then it came back and hit my target. I'm about to let me block myself, man. Let me do it because I'm gonna start tilt trading in this funded account. Let me just block myself out. Let me lock myself. Okay, I'm gonna lock myself out until 5 p.m. the next day. I gotta lock myself out. I got to. I'm gonna tilt trade in that account. Yo, guys, I almost tilt trade. Like, I almost opened up this app and started tilt trading because it shit stopped me out and hit my target. All right, man. I can't get into the account even if I want to. I'm locked out. Thanks, Texas. I don't know why gold came back and stopped me out like that. Well, Joy, I guess this was a visual example of why you don't stop out at break even. Following rule, well, there is literally a fire in my gut right now that literally wants revenge on gold in my funded account. Like I want revenge right now. I want revenge. Dude, I almost got into a mini at the top, man. I want revenge right now. It just stopped me out for no damn reason. Like, it literally stopped me out and then hits my target. Like, what the hell? I understand it happens. I get it. But man, this shit, it feels like someone took something from me. If it took, like, I felt like it did this shit purposely because it came back and found support at my entry. I mean, my entry was 87.9. So this was my entry right here. And it came back and found support at it. So I felt like gold did that shit on purpose. And I want my revenge. That was my original entry right there. And look, it breaks out, pulls back, and then it hits my target, man. So I'm just gonna lock myself out of my funded account until tomorrow, because I already feel like I'll say that I'm okay, and then tomorrow I'm going to find a way to get my money back in revenge trade. So it's just better to lock the account out for the remainder of this day and just come back tomorrow. Just come back tomorrow. And that's frustrating. But whatever. It's a dirty break and retest. Let me get off of gold. Gold just been very nasty to me today. I don't know what the hell I did with gold today, but she was just nasty to me. I ain't did shit to her. For her to be doing me like that. All right. 42. Isn't that interesting? So we're seeing, and, you know, as we collect more data, that first leg is usually 20 to 30 points. So when we're trading the orb and we see that first breakout, if it's not around 20 to 30 points, then we kind of have an idea of what can happen next. So a 20 to 30 point move, a pullback, that entry at the orb, high or low. Because it basically did the same thing that it did yesterday, actually. So instead of trading 30 points, it traded 27 points. And then the follow-up trade was 163. And yesterday it was 31 points with a 169 move. So it basically did the same thing that it did yesterday. Isn't that interesting? 163 points to the low. And I appreciate that, Gabe Trader. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, man. That was hard to do. It was hard to do. I love that was hard to do. So, but yeah, that was hard to do. But at least I'll have my funded account. At least I'm not gonna blow it. At least I'm not going to go on tilt and blow it. So I mean, but all right, everybody. That's it for me tonight. This is definitely tough. It's definitely tough to accept. I'll probably revenge trading in my dreams tonight, because it looks like gold is going to probably make a full freaking recovery, but I guess it needed to stop me out before it did so. Okay. Did the right thing. It's okay. It's okay, man. You can get the money back tomorrow in another account. You know, I haven't traded my Tradeify accounts all this week, and I'm not going to. I'm gonna just take a break in those accounts. I'm just gonna trade the My Funded Futures funded account and just leave the Tradeify funded accounts alone. Actually, what I Damn. All right, let me see if this account is actually, if I still have this account. Oh wow, I still have this account. I'm going to revenge trade in this account. I need to either pass this account or blow it, because it rebuilds. It rebuilds like next week. I think it rebuilds on the 20. Let me see. Yeah, it actually rebuilds at the end of this week, so I need to actually get rid of this account. There's really no point having to stop on this account, because either this thing needs to pass or it needs to blow. So when it rebuilds, it'll be a fresh start. So we'll see if gold is going to continue to trade to the upside, or will we see a rejection here? Okay. But depending on the outcome of this, like I said, I'm not going to trade my well, we'll see. Because I mean, if a good gold setup happens tomorrow, then I mean, why pass it up? I mean, I'm not going to pass it up, especially if it's good. So I think if I cancel the stops, then it cancels the target, cave trader. So I would have to actually leave the stops, because it's an ATM strategy. So it cancels both sides of the order if I were to cancel the stops. Man, if gold breaks down here, we'll definitely see price break underneath these lows for sure. But if it continues to trade higher, like to like 806 or something like that, 805, 806. Yeah, it definitely has been. That's why like I said, I feel kind of attacked tonight. You know how many trades I passed up because I thought that maybe the Bulls wouldn't step up. The Bulls. There was one. Where was it at? It was this right here. I was like, dude, no freaking way. I was like, no way. Because I passed up this trade because I was like, man, I don't know. It looks like it wants to go lower, but I don't know, man. So I didn't take the trade. And so, when I came back and saw that this thing went parabolic, I was like, God damn. Like these small moves on gold, when it works, it's like, it feels like a gut punch because the technicals are there, everything is there. It's just that the move is so small that I may not get my target hit, so I don't take it. And then it does something like this where, it just takes out all the supply and then comes right crashing back down. It's like, well, shit, maybe I should have taken the trade. But yeah, like I said, this account, I don't, the Nasdaq was nasty to me on this account because she stopped me out. I hit daily loss limit, and then as soon as I hit daily loss limit, she goes in my direction. I was up 30 points, 35 points. It didn't hit my target. It was 10 points away from the first target, and then it comes back up and stops me out. And then I go for the long, and then it goes down and stops me out. And I hit because I was super heavy because I was trying to pass it because I was so focused on my funded accounts. I actually forgot about this account, and I didn't want to at least not take a trade. I mean, if I'm going to pay for it, at least, gamble in it, I guess. But it didn't work out. So, I mean, if this account if it dies, it dies. But, I mean, I'm not going to complain if it works. But I don't think so, though. I don't think so. I mean, I took the value area high short. I don't know. I mean, the momentum is bearish. So honestly, I think gold might be nasty to me here because I don't have that much drawdown in this account, and I am super heavy. I got too many contracts on. I probably have what? I have $700 of drawdown left in this account, and so that's about 2 points, 3 points, about. So 3 points, 4 points. All right, guys. Yeah. All right. So this time I mean it. I'm done for tonight. I appreciate everybody that's joined. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.